Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up a Vite React project from scratch. First, check if you have Node.js installed. If not, follow these steps to download Node.js installer and install it. Once installed, you'll be able to check the installed version of Node and Node Package Manager. We can use either npm or yarn. I'm going to show you how to install using both of them. Here are the commands to install Vite, using npm, yarn, and pnpm. Here, I am going to use yarn. This setup creates a new project folder with the given project name, and creates all the necessary files inside it. For example, I'm gonna give reactjstutorial and select JavaScript SWC for better performance. SWC stands for Speedy Web Compiler. It's a Rust-based platform, and hence, much faster. Now, I'll show you how to create the files in the current directory. Create Vite, again, and in the place of the project name, just give a full stop, and press Enter. As you can see, we can't run it yet, because all the necessary Node modules have not been installed. So install them by using yarn install, or npm install, in case you are using npm. Now that everything is installed, let me run it. Without further ado, let's add Tailwind CSS. Go to tailwindcss.com, and navigate to Getting Started page, or Docs page, and, under the Installation tabs, switch to Framework Guides, and select Vite. Since we've already completed the first step, let's skip it and run the remaining. This is the command for adding Tailwind CSS using npm. I'm gonna cancel this, and add it through yarn. Clear screen. Yarn add, copy and paste the package names and press Enter. follow the next steps, and replace the texts as shown. Let's delete some of the needless files, such as app.css file, and the assets folder. Now, replace the app function, and we are done. I hope this was helpful. If so, a like would be highly appreciated. Thanks for watching. And subscribe for more.